Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be looking at the activity monitor as a monitoring tool in Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, so to access the activity monitor, what you need to do is to right click on your server. Okay, so I have my instance already connected, so I'll just right click on it and then select activity monitor, right? So this is the interface of the activity monitor. So it is like a dashboard for Microsoft SQL Server that shows what's happening inside the database. Okay, it provides real-time information about processes, resource usage, and active connections. It helps database administrators keep an eye on the SQL Server's health and performance. Okay, so this is the interface of the activity monitor. So let's access the processes and see what's happening. Okay, so these the processes that are running currently. Okay, so we have the session ID, we have the user process, we have the login, we have database, task state, we have the command, we have application, we have block by, so we have the host. Okay, so we have all these things running currently. Now, let me try to access a database and see what's going to happen. So let me expand here, go to databases. Okay, so let me set AdventureWorks, go to tables. Okay, so let me top 1000 rows. Okay, so now let me access the same database by a different user. Okay, so let me to connect here, I'll select this, then put in my password. Okay, so connected as user Musa. Okay, so let me in this select table. Okay, or let me try to access a different database. Okay, so my bank DB. Okay, so let me right click here. Okay, so I have two databases being accessed by two different users. Okay, so I have Musa, the session ID is 63, the administrator, the session ID is 57. Okay, so let's go to activity monitor. So when we come to activity monitor, you can see Musa is 63. Okay, so let me scroll down here. Okay, so you can see the session ID is 63. The login name is Musa. Okay, the login name is Musa. The database that's been accessed is my bank DB. Okay, so the process it keeps running, and then and then when we look at session 57, we have it was logged in by administrator, right? Here it is by administrator, and then we have the database AdventureWorks. Okay, so this is what the activity monitor helps you to see, right? So in the activity monitor also, it helps you to see if there is any blocking. Okay, if there's any block, so you can see block by, you can see the user that's blocking, that's causing the block. You'll be able to see it. So blocking occurs when one process holds a lock on a resource that other process needs, resulting in contention and potential performance degradation. Okay, identifying and resolving blocking issue is crucial for maintaining database performance and responsiveness. So you'll be able to see it here and then. Now, when you see that there is a blocking, one thing that you can do as a database administrator is it gives you the option to kill the process from here. Okay, so you can just to kill the process, you can just right click on it and then you see it here, kill process. So you can select it and then you'll be able to kill the process from here to free up space for other queries to run. So it is a very important inbuilt monitoring tool for database administrators to use. Okay, so let's move on to the resource weight. So under the resource weight, you'll be able to see the log, like the wait time, the recent wait time, average wait count, average wait account. You'll be able to see the cumulative wait time. So you'll be able to see it. regarding memory, login, log, large buffer IO, you'll be able to see everything here. So it is a very important to use. So data file IO, you'll be able to see what's, and then you also have the opportunity to see recent expensive queries that were run against the database. Okay, so you'll be able to see them here. Okay, you'll be able to see them if you can right click on it, and then you'll be able to edit the query text. You'll be able to edit it, and then also if you want to view the execution plan, you can just right click on it, right click, and then show execution plan, which gives you the option to also view the execution plan of the query, right? So if in case there is any recent or active expensive query running, you also be able to see it here. Okay, so the activity monitor is very helpful or valuable tool for monitoring and managing the health and performance of Microsoft SQL Server instance. Its intuitive interface and comprehensive set of monitoring features makes it an essential component of SQL Server administration. So as a DBA, this is an important inbuilt tool that can help you to monitor the health of your database. If you want to see more, just like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.